Excuse me, I'd like to rent a car for the next 3 days.
Okay, let's see what we have available. What type of vehicle are you looking for?
I'm not sure. Something with good fuel efficiency, I suppose.
All right, let me show you some options. We have a few compact cars that get great gas mileage.
That sounds perfect. What's the total cost, including insurance?
The total comes out to be €200 for the 3 days, plus a one-time fee for the insurance.
Okay, I'll take it. Can you explain what's covered by the insurance?
The insurance covers damage to the vehicle, theft, and liability in case of an accident.
That sounds good. Can I get a receipt for my records?
Of course, here's your receipt and the keys to your rental car.
Compact car. I rented a compact car to drive around the city. Fuel efficient. The hybrid car is very fuel efficient and environmentally friendly. Insurance. She bought car insurance to cover any potential damages. Liability. The company is liable for the damages caused by their product. Theft. She reported her phone stolen to the police. Damage. The storm caused significant damage to the city's infrastructure. Official language. The official language of France is French. Receipt. She kept the receipt as proof of purchase.